Hello friends, let me introduce you to my newest experiment with cross-pollinating Dorset Horn Adenium. Because they grow so slow and they have all same flowers, I thought that if I cross-pollinate them with something else, they might grow faster and or have a different flowers. So a few years ago I took a pollen from Thai Sokochada patch, the plants that have the ability to create 2 to 5% curly Dorset Horn, and I cross-pollinated them with double petal Adenium obesum, making this one mother of pollen of the other one, and this one mother of pollen of the other one. Fortunately, all the offspring had a flat leaves, and some had a double dark red flowers, some single dark red flowers. I crossed them with each other. F2 generation, the generation in which some of the offspring can exhibit the recessive gene, in this case the curliness of the leaves. And it happened on 3 plants. This one very curly, this one just a little bit curly, and this one very curly again. Only the time will show if they inherited from the other parent the larger flower and or redder and or double petal. But one thing is for sure, it did already clearly showed that it inherited from the more regular adenium faster growth. Let me show you. This is the largest Dorset Horn from this new hybrid, and even though it's few months younger than Dorset Horn I started the regular way, if I compare it to these little older ones, the largest of those is significantly smaller than the largest of these hybrids. They have a little bigger leaves, a little more of overall about double size. Hard to see the exact comparison because I can't put them next to each other, but I can put it next to my finger. Look, here it is, largest of those 3 successful hybrids, and here it is, the largest of this regular Dorset Horn, who even though are a few months older, are much smaller than these hybrids. Hooray! This experiment worked. And with that, I'm concluding this report. If you like this video and didn't sign up yet, you can. And if you didn't give me thumbs up for this video, and if you like this video, Please do so to let me know that you like it. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye.